Hello and welcome to all my sweet children. Welcome to another DP Kids YouTube video with me making crafts and creations. So we are making sunglasses today. A pair of sunglasses with paper. Would you like to see how it's made? So I have taken a big piece of paper for this, 18 into 18 centimeter piece of paper. So this is how we are going to make it, by folding it first. So we got a triangular shape when we folded it. Now see, you have two flaps here. Fold the upper flap backwards a bit to get a little triangle. Now this edge, can you see I am folding it down just a little bit. Press it down, then fold it again like this. I folded it again. Folded it 4 times, now 5 times. So just like this, keep folding and pressing, folding and pressing. Now fold it until there's some space between this triangle and this folded part. Now this part also we need to fold backwards, but slightly above than what was earlier folded. Now fold it backwards. Can you see that there is a little space here? So then to make a triangle here, fold it in like this. So if there is any wrinkles, be careful when you fold it. Now in the same way, fold it backwards on this side. Make sure there are no wrinkles or that the paper is not crumpled. Now there should be some space on these two sides. Then, so to have the sunglass fix onto your ears, slowly push it down. Push down these little parts like this. See? Our sunglass is complete. Isn't it a fine pair of sunglasses? Right, so you can use a bigger piece of paper, maybe like 25 into 25 centimeters. If you use that, you can actually wear it or even keep on your head and in front of your eyes, anything you like. So you can play with your friends, your sisters and brothers. Try and make it. It's beautiful and it's easy and it's fun to make. So we'll be back with more creations like this. Stay safe until we do. Goodbye.